YouTubers, good afternoon. We're here again to our land, which is my son Leonardo land, and Edward is trying to work the propane for making a fire so that we can burn the pile, each pile that he did here in the land of my son. Come on, get away from the fire, boy. Here, come on, come on.
Stand back, Leo.
Sorry about that. Yeah, it's easy job though. I remember YouTubers last time my husband and I did this job, and it's very hard for me to use matches only, but still it's worked good. Say hi, Han.
Let's walk up the hill now. There's lots
Are you sure? But Han, your son wants to be close to you. Don't be too close to daddy. Don't be too close to daddy, Leo. My God, I'm so worried of that. Look at that fire, YouTubers. My God. We have a good weather today. That's why me and Edward decided to burn the pile here. Don't be too close to the pile. Look at my son. He's so very excited of what's going on. Right there. Wow! What a big fire is that? Thank you, Lord, for the good weather today. Come on. Hold mommy. Hold mommy. My God, look at that, guys. Han, be careful what you're doing. There's another pile. That's gonna become bigger fire, Leo. Let's go. Yes. Another pile there. Don't be too close to daddy. This is, so if you become bigger, you're the one gonna do that, right? Okay. Don't be too close to daddy. Wow, Han, be careful. Leo, no, only here, Leo. We're going there in the house. Yes. My son. Don't be too close to daddy. You can sit in the big tree. Right there. Sit there. You can sit right there. Wait for us. Wow. Look at that, YouTubers. Buyag. Edward. He works so good of it. Leo, get away from there. Don't be too close, boy. You like the fire?